Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Noor. So friends, today in this video I'm going to share you how to connect with people. Like as you see, lots of people are connecting with people with them. They are making some English conversation videos as well as they talk with them. They are improving their English. But if you don't know how to connect with people by the mobile phone, I'm not talking about on PC, because in PC you can talk with people, then you can record that easily. As you see, if I talk about my YouTube channel, as you see that I have talked with lots of people and I made some English conversation videos with them. I got record properly and I took from somewhere as well, because I earlier I didn't know about that how to record that video. So if you have this question in your mind, like how to record this video, so today in this video I'm going to share you everything. Which app would you use by your mobile phone? And every mobile phone would support that application, because if I talk about my mobile phone, as you can see this one, I have this mobile phone. It's 5G Realme Pro 5G. If I talk about my mobile phone, there is a application GeoMeet. That one application I was unable to download that application. Why? Because when I was going to download this application, then it was showing me that your Android is not supporting that application. That if you know that what was that reason, so let me tell you, if you don't know what was that reason, because the app I'm talking about GeoMeet app. That app didn't update it. That's why it was saying that you must have a, you can say, new mobile phone. Then it would support in that. As I purchased a new mobile phone, that name was Infinix Hot 60i. In that mobile phone, I can download that app because I did. But that mobile phone is taking my brother. That's why I can't show you that that mobile phone. Let's start. First of all, I want to start my recording, screen recording, you can say, because I'll add you that screen recording in that. So I have to start it now. I'm just seeing that where is this function. I found it now. So I have clicked now. So I want to record this. I have started that recording. Now I'm going to connect with people. Firstly, I will tell you that application. That application name is GeoMeet. This is not that application. That application is very different. Like this application, you can use every mobile phone. This is that one, and you can download it through the Play Store. It would not take charge a single rupees from you. Let's start. First, you have to click on that. Then you have to log in it. If you have Gmail ID, then you can log in through the Gmail. Then there would be some lots of option, you can say, if you have already used this application, so you can use it. But if you are new user, you can download. If you use Facebook, then you can also use through that. You can log in that one. Then you can use, because every mobile phone has a email ID. You would have to use it if you are using mobile phone, so that you can use. Then you can say you can install it, and you can, as well as you can use it, you can log in it. So let's start how to make, you can say, how to add people. That you have to click the middle one option. Then I would show you that screen recordings. You have to click here. Then there would be three options, sorry, four options. First one is your profile, then second one is searching, then third one is I am counting from this side. Then the third one is you have to click on that. Then you would see two options. The first one is start a meeting, then second one is join a meeting. If I talk about joining a meeting, if someone is asking to you that he wants to join with you, then he sended you a link, then you have to click here. Then you can paste that link, then you can join. There would be option a join, then it would show you. Then you have to click on that. Then if you want to join, that you are asking to someone else, then I want to join with you, then you are going to send a link. Then you have to click start a meeting. First of all, you have to get back, and from this, then you would have to click again on that. Then you have to click on start a meeting. There is a option, then you have to click on that. Then if you are asking to then some person, then you have to click here personal meeting id. Then you can see your id here. Then you have to click the last one, there would be mentioned share. Then you have to click on that. Then if you are using gmail, like someone is send it to a message in your email, then you can send them easily. You have to click here, then you can send. But if you are using whatsapp as well as you are using facebook, instagram, these options are not here. So you have to click, you can also click here, but you can click then into the link, you can say. Then it would be copy automatically, but firstly you have to click on that. Then you have to go back. Then you can go somewhere, then wherever you want. Like I want to send it on my whatsapp, I would hide it. You can say I have a second mobile phone that is my brother's mobile phone, as you can see. So I'll send in that mobile phone, then I would show you that how to join. Then you have to find that number, where is it? Or then I have found this one. Yeah, I have found this one. So now I am going to send it. Then you have to send it like this whenever you want, or which mobile phone you want to use. Then now I am taking my second mobile phone. Then you should open the second mobile phone. That means as you are using your first mobile phone and you have a person like who wants to meet you, then you should say to him that I'm going to, you have to send that. Then you should say that click on that. Then you would be able to see a option. Then you have to click on that. Like I would show you that in the second one mobile phone, you have to see like this way. Then you have to click on that. It would ask you that your name only, who I'm talking about. That as you have, so suppose you have sent it a that link. Then who is going to connect with you, then he has to click on that. Then he should mention his name. Suppose I have to write, or I write Sonu. Then there should be, you can say there would be a option join. Then you have to click on that. Then after that you have to click on a this function that you can see join. Then click on that. Before joining this meet, you should say to your friend that you should download this application, and as well as you should log in this. If he hasn't logged, he can join, but sometimes we have to face this problem, like we are unable to connect with people. So now I have joined, as you can see. After clicking that, you can see properly. I haven't opened my screen. Then if I talk about the second mobile phone, where I have, you can say I have screen recording, which one I have screen recording, and where I have sent that link. Then you can click on that link what you have sent. Then it would ask you that your name, then you would have to fulfill. It would automatically fulfill, you can say. Then you have to click on that. There should be mentioned a join option. Then after that you should wait. Then you would see that the screen is totally separated, that you can see there like this. Now I have, maybe I should use my camera. Then I would show you that. Now you can see my both mobile phone have my screen, you can see separate. I have separated that screen, you can see. You can check that this one. Then it would ask you that which to video, sorry, switch to video anyway. You have to click on that. If you would click the first one, then you would be unable to open your camera. Then now you can see that your screen has separated properly. So now let's start how to record that. If you are talking with someone else, like you are using your smartphone like this way, you are talking with people, so how would you can say record them. Then you have to click three dot. There is option a three dot. Then after, you can say after second, like third one, that means third one, you have to show would show that start recording. There would be an option start recording. Then you would have to click on that. Then it would be automatically recording, you can say. Then there would be option that you can see recording. There is an option that there is mentioned that recording is, that means it's working, it's recording. Now whatever you are talking, everything is recording in that mobile phone. So now I'm going to finish this video, so I have to start this one. So I have told you. And if I talk about this recording you can download cloud, you can see there. So if you liked this video and if you want to have a conversation with people, like with some co-learner, or as well as if you want to have a conversation with me, you can drop me a message in my number. I have sent on my I have sent my number into the bio in the YouTube channel. Then if you are here first time, so do subscribe this channel, because I made this video because one person was saying that you should I was watching some conversation videos, then I found a person. He was asking to that how to connect with people by the mobile phone. If you have PC, you would not face any problem, but if you don't have PC, you would have to face. Like if I talk about me, earlier I was unable to record that video because I don't have a PC. I had a PC, but that is out of order, so that's why I'm unable to record video. But today I have told you that by this mobile phone I record my videos by this one, so you can check the quality of. Now today the video quality is not quite good, but you can see properly, like because I have used an you can say screen recording, as well as I show you everything. So now I'm going to finish this video. If you liked this video, so do